Black diamonds, also known as Carbonado diamonds, are mysterious and unique gems with a dark metallic sparkle. Their beauty and rarity make them valuable, but because they look similar to black spinel or other fake stones, it's important to know how to test if your black diamond is real at home. Here are simple and effective ways to identify a genuine Carbonado diamond without professional tools. 1. The scratch test. One of the easiest ways to check authenticity is by testing hardness. A real diamond is one of the hardest natural materials on Earth. Try gently scratching a mirror or a piece of glass with the stone. Result: if it easily scratches the surface without damage to itself, it could be a real diamond. Warning: be careful not to use too much force. This test only works if the stone isn't fragile glass or quartz. 2. The light reflection test. Hold the black stone under a bright light. Real Carbonado diamonds have a metallic or graphite-like reflection, not a shiny rainbow sparkle like clear diamonds. Real Carbonado, dull luster, metallic reflection. Fake stone, bright, glassy or rainbow-like shine. 3. The water drop test. Fill a glass with water and gently drop your stone inside. Real diamond, it will sink straight to the bottom because of its high density. Fake stone, it may float or sink slowly. 4. The heat resistance test. Diamonds are incredibly heat resistant. Hold the stone with tweezers and gently heat it with a lighter for about 30 seconds, then drop it into cold water. Real diamond, it won't show cracks or changes. Fake stone, it will likely crack or shatter due to sudden temperature change. Do this test carefully and only if you're confident in handling the stone safely. 5. The weight and feel test. Real Carbonado diamonds are denser and heavier than fake stones of the same size. Hold 2 similar-sized stones. If yours feels noticeably heavier, that's a good sign. 6. The loupe or magnifying glass test. Use a jeweler's loupe or magnifying glass to inspect the surface. Real Carbonado has tiny natural pits and irregularities. Fake stone looks perfectly smooth or too polished. Final advice. While these at-home tests can give strong clues, the only way to be 100% sure is to get your black diamond tested by a certified gemologist using advanced equipment. Still, these simple steps help you identify whether your Carbonado is likely real or fake before spending money on professional verification.